this video, I'm going to try and install a second fan onto my motorcycle because I was doing a couple wheelies the other day and it overheated in like half an hour, so I think I need some more cooling power on, and I'm going to put a manual switch in so I can turn it on even before it gets too hot. Also, I'll be putting in some new coolant. I don't know what coolant's in there, but it overheated and then it poured out everywhere. So I got some this water wetter. Apparently this is pretty good. There's a stock fan there and the radiator. I'm thinking I mounted on this side. There's quite a bit of space back there, so it might fit hopefully. This fan is directly off a 2007 R1. Apparently it's a pretty strong fan, so it should do the job. First step, gotta take the fairings all off again, which means taking off the cage. Good luck to me. Got all the fairings off, so you can see there's a reservoir. I'll have to take the tank off to get to it properly, but you can see that's where all the coolant leaked from the wheelies. I'm gonna bleed the coolant first. So you want to take off this radiator cap here, and then you want to undo this bolt here and also this bolt here. Then the fluid will just come out really quickly. There it is, coolant draining. Okay, let's do this one. Man, I'm just getting coolant everywhere. Alright, so I need to take all these hoses, this one and all these little ones here, off. So all the hoses are off. I've only seen a couple bolts. So there's one down here. Looks like there's only one bolt holding this in, which is just that one there. Here's a radiator, finally taken off. Here's a new fan I want to put on. Find a way to fabricate this, putting it onto that existing one there. After a couple hours of playing with this, what I've done is, with these original brackets that came with this R1 fan, I've straightened it and I put it onto one of the OEM bolts up here. I try to stretch some of these other brackets out, but it's not going to reach. So what I'm going to do is I found a piece of metal here. I'm going to cut it a bit shorter, about 15 mils. Put it in here, put in this other bolt here, and then I'm going to do like a little bracket that goes up and through here, and then just bolt it in there. And I think that should put enough support on the fan so it doesn't hit the radiator. Even now it takes a bit of force to actually push it onto the radiator. I'll wire this after I put it in, then I need to put this little switch onto it. Cool, wait till tomorrow. I tried to hand saw the little bracket thing, but it was just taking too long, so I borrowed a angle grinder from a mate yesterday. Figured I should drill out the holes first. There's a bit of cardboard here and just make like a little mock fit of it. So with this hole here, screws out. One hole. Poke a hole in these two holes. Done. Let's go drilling. Okay, let's see if the holes are big enough. Screw that's going to go onto the radiator fan here. Okay. Awesome, there we go. Now just gotta angle grind it off. I got the plate onto a vise. Couldn't find my safety glasses, so I'm just gonna use some sunnies. Hopefully that works. Got some headphones in, looks like I'm about to go out into the rain. It's gonna be so hot. Nice and toasty. It's not a very good job. I should cut on the next to the line instead of on the line, but oh well, doesn't matter. I'm not a fabricator. Now I've got to bend this. So this here, I'll find like where to bend it, put it back on, use a hammer, smash it down. This one will go here. It's around there. It's around there. There's a slight angle on it, but whatever, should do the job. Yeah, I'll put it a bit higher just so there's more clearance here. Yeah, that needs quite a bit of force to push it down. I'm gonna angle grind this little excess bit off here.
There's still a bit of a gap there. It really shouldn't hit the radiator because that's quite a bit of force there, but just to be safe, I'm just gonna raise it a little bit. It's dirty like that. So it should be safe. Okay, I'm gonna spray paint this, and this just because it's already starting to rust.
Alright, so the fan's dried for about 5 minutes, and I'm just gonna put it on now all together. So this is the original stuff. Oh crap, wrong way. Here. To the wiring here, so I'm thinking about just routing it around here, cutting it here, and splice these two wires, scissors. Just heat up my soldering gun. There we go. A little bit, just put it on top here. Oh, no. Soldering iron's not that great, but it's probably just me. I just suck at soldering. Okay, finally. So I'm guessing the green goes with the blue. There we go, pretty solid. Don't want to short this out. Red, here we go. Woo! There we go. Both turning. Alright, now I've got to do the hard bit, which is connecting the little toggle switch. Turn this on manually. I had to move inside because it started raining quite heavily. I've got the two fans on. I'm just going to put the radiator back on. You want to hook this side on first. I lost the rubber thing. Got a pretty long wrench here, 10mm screw. Oh no, I dropped it already. Threading the needle. Yes. Alright, done. Yeah, we just got a little one here. Oh no, fuck! The horn was supposed to go in between that screw. Ah, damn it. Gotta take that screw back off. So here's the horn. Pull it back to the front. Ah, crap. So this leg here is actually hitting on the headers, so I'm gonna bend it a little bit. Okay, so we ran into another problem. Little sensor just there. When it moves back, it hits it like there. So I'm thinking I'll just loosen these brackets here and just move it up a little bit so it doesn't hit. Okay, well, great. I broke it. I tried it. It was like this. Try to go the other way so it's like a C. I'm just gonna make up another one quickly. I'm done building the new one. So there's the new bracket stored. It's just here, so it's like a little C shape. And I just test fitted it and it does fit pretty well. Little touch, but it's minimum. So I'm just gonna spray it black and then put it back on. Okay, so after reading a few more forums, I found a better wire to use, the manual switch. So what you do is you come up to the rear here, taking off the rear seat and stuff. You come to the relay, this one here, come to the bottom, and the bottom one is a fan relay. So I clipped it onto the one with a black and blue wire. It's a black on with blue one. There's a blue with black one. As you can see, clip it on there. And then if I just ground the wire onto the chassis, I just like touch some unpainted metal. The fans turn on. See, the bike's even off. Just gonna put the switch on. I just have to solder a wire there and maybe ground it somewhere around here. The switch here, on off. Got some wire here. So I'm gonna wire it from here all the way down to where the idle adjuster is, and I'm going to put the switch there because it'll be easier to access and stuff. And then from here, there's a OEM ground cable where right there, there's a ground wire there, so I'm just going to go from here to that ground wire. I'll just unscrew it, tie the wire around it, and it should be sweet. Everything is soldered up, so I got some heat shrink on the switch. And the truth, I'm going to hit this switch and I'm going to hope the fan turns on. Ready? And yes! Awesome, done. I'm going to put the radiator on, connect all the hoses, and probably flush it out tomorrow. Okay, so it's a couple of days later, the radiator and stuff back on. It was too dark to show, so the radiator and everything's back on. I filled it up with distilled water and I ran it once. I let it run out again until it's clear, then I'm going to put in the water wetter. The last one is just shot out. Try not to do that again. Looked like last time when it came out, so this should be like nearly white. Miss it every time. There's a slight pink tinge in there. We get that to crystal clear. I don't know, the radiator's probably flushed. Oh, the fan's my aim. Oh, before I forget, I did this before I put the fans on. It was to check if the fans are spinning the right way. To test that, you need get a piece of paper, turn the fan on. Now I've got the manual fan switch. Put on the radiator, it should stick like that. It's sucking air into it. See if the right hand fan's doing something. There's a new one I installed. It is touching a little bit on the wire there, but the fan's not touching it, so that's a good. Distilled water. Yeah, 94 degrees, about to turn on. There we go. Alright, now I'm just going to let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. The coolant cools down so I don't burn my hands. It's much wider, slight tinge. Yeah, I'll probably do one more just to be completely safe. Because water wetter isn't friendly with